Hello everyone, welcome back to Mastering Mayhem. Today we are going to unbox and do an overview of this RIDGID Octane one-handed reciprocating saw, and I got this one from Direct Tools Factory Outlet, so let's go ahead and do it. Alright, here we are you guys. This is the RIDGID Octane, like I was saying. It's the brushless 18 volt one-handed reciprocating saw. It's promising 3 times the power. It has the lifetime service agreement, the LSA. This is one of the reasons that, you know, the RIDGID fans are so committed to RIDGID. It has free parts, free service for life. So you just go to rigid.com/registration. You register your tools or even your battery, right? Even your batteries. They will guarantee service on those. Either replace them, serve them for life. So the model number to this one-handed reciprocating saw by RIDGID is the R86448B. So let's go ahead and open this guy up. So this is what it gives you inside the box. You got your one-handed reciprocating saw, your saw blade, and your operator's manual. So that's very good to have. I have my own case here of different blades that I can use or will be using. These are the Milwaukee Blades here. It's nice to have a set where you can cut metal, wood, plastics. Of course, I'll include the links here in the description below. All the tools that I have, I always put in the description below the video. So if you're interested in any of the tools, please go ahead and check out the links. I'll also include the equipment that I use for my videos. Let's go ahead and go through this guy and what it has, and then we'll go ahead and pop a battery on and go from there. Right here, it has the lock-off switch, if you can see underneath. That way you can lock the trigger, keep it from being activated or engaged. So you switch that on, and this is a variable speed trigger, by the way. So again, your lock off switch is right there. Variable speed trigger is there as well. So if you want to lock it for safety reasons, you have that switch there. It has a nice solid shoe assembly here in the front for when you need to lean it up against anything. And it gives you that extra support and guidance there. This guy is toolless, so you just twist it. It opens up the clamp, and then you can put the blade in there and it locks into place. Let's go ahead and demonstrate that. So you just twist this guy open, put this guy in, and just like that, it's locked into place. And I love that. And then it does have the Orbital action selector here if you ever need to use that, engage that. In order to demonstrate the LED light, we need to put the battery on. I have the 9 amperage hour battery. This is the biggest battery that RIDGID makes, by the way, and I have a few of those just because you need runtime for some of these bigger tools. But it does have an LED light, just a trigger here to turn on the light only if you want. So you can push that trigger there without engaging the main trigger of the tool. You just push that if you need the light for any reason. Otherwise, the LED light comes on just by engaging the main trigger here. And remember, the trigger is a variable speed trigger. I love that feature. And again, remember, you can lock that and the trigger will not engage. So it's a nice little lock safety feature there that I really like. So again, another thing that I love about RIDGID is that any size battery will work on all their tools. So that was a 9 amperage hour battery. And as you can see here, this is just a 2 amperage hour battery, and this one works just as well, no problem. Except for a reciprocating saw like this, I wouldn't recommend using anything smaller than a 6 amperage hour battery. Definitely recommend using a bigger battery for this guy. I'm going to go ahead and just put this in the video now, that I will have a versus video where it's the RIDGID Octane 18 volt versus the M12 Fuel by Milwaukee one-handed reciprocating saw, because I want to see again the difference between 12 volt and 18 volt, and whether you need an 18 volt or a 12 volt just based on what you have need for at the home or on a project. I will be doing that with these two guys as well. Okay, so we'll go ahead and weigh this guy, see how much it weighs with the 9 amperage hour battery. But this is a very capable tool, and even though it's one-handed, it's long enough to be able to, you know, put your left hand on top and help guide that. So it is a quite a bit bigger one-handed reciprocating saw out of the ones I've seen out there. Okay, we got the scale ready, 0 pounds, 0 ounces. Let's put this guy on, see how much it weighs. We're at 7 pounds 3.6 ounces, so I can see how something like this could really gain on you throughout the day as far as wearing you out maybe, or just really, you know, testing your strength. Although most of the times this guy's weight is bearing down on some type of material, whether it's, you know, a piece of wood or plastic or metal. Remember, this is a brushless tool, so you have that there for extra runtime, cooler runtime. So again, we'll do a actual demo of this tool here probably next week sometime, where I'm gonna do the versus the M12 Fuel one-handed reciprocating saw. So I just wanted to show you guys this guy. I can't remember what the price was at Direct Tools factory outlet, but I will include the price on the screen. Definitely check out your Direct Tools factory outlet near you. This guy has no blemishes at all. You still get the LSA service agreement, lifetime service agreement, if you register it after you buy it. And make sure you do that, and they'll still cover it if it is the factory blemished product box or purchase. They have different types of purchases you can make there. And the gray area of the tool, except for right there, is all like a soft rubber grip, so it feels really good in the hand. It gives you a nice control, nice grip. Right there it's a hard plastic, and everywhere else it's like a nice rubber, gray rubber mold. Then the orange is a hard plastic, so it gives you a nice grip, nice hold. So even at 7 pounds 3.6 ounces, it's not too bad in the hand. So there we are. That's pretty much it with this RIDGID one-handed reciprocating saw. It's 4 a.m. right now doing this video, but I will be using it today to build a fence. So I'll try to get some photos or maybe short clips of me using that for this video. I hope that answered your questions. If you have any other questions about this, please put it down in the comments and let me know, and I'll answer what I can. Alright, so there you guys go. That's it. We got to do the unboxing with this guy. Just showed you some of the features, and I also showed you the weight. 22.5 inches overall length for this guy with a 9 amperage hour battery to the tip of the blade. Definitely bigger than the M12 Fuel guy there, so we will be doing that comparison video as soon as I can. But until that time, until then, I appreciate you guys tuning in. I really do, and so please let me know you guys enjoy the videos by liking, commenting, sharing, clicking the notification bell so you guys know when my next video comes out. I'm definitely doing at least 2 videos a week, and I'm going to be trying to get 3 out for you guys on all the tools that I have. So the best thing that shows me your guys' support, of course, is subscribing, so I appreciate you guys subscribing anytime. So as always, here at Mastering Mayhem, we're always looking for the best tools, tech, DIYs, and deals for you guys. And so until next time, I only hope the best for you and yours.